Though the word general usually describes your payload, your business is anything but general. Because you carry the essentials that make our world go round. Essentials we often take for granted. Most people have no idea about the long hours spent on the highway or the narrow margins that characterize your industry. More than anyone, you need to combine the strength of technical specifications with the smartness of optimized services. With the competition you're up against, you can't afford to settle with a compromised model. You need to look beyond the ordinary to achieve something extraordinary. So, the next time you're thinking about a new truck to transport your anything but general cargo, let's meet face to face. Allow us to show you that this isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of truck. It's a solution tailored for the only business that matters, yours.